What's up, YouTube? I'm back from some professional development school I had attended. That's why you haven't seen me in a while. But it's a sad day for the Impala. So I have to replace the transmission inside the Impala. Before I went to school, I went from a 4-speed transmission to a 2-speed transmission, which is not good. So I'm about to start replacing the transmission. I might take it out right now and have my new one could be here probably by Tuesday. Thank you, dude. My new one will be here Tuesday. So I just found the source of my issue. So I replaced this transmission fluid about maybe 15,000 miles, and it's nowhere here should be just burnt. So I don't know if you can see the metal sheen through the camera, but that's my clutches. I have no clutch. All my clutches are gone. Well, my clutch is gone in the transmission. I don't know if you can see it, but all that is clutch material at the bottom of the transmission pan. See, watch my finger. See? That's all clutch material. Okay, so what's up, YouTube? So I dropped the transmission this morning. So since I have it dropped, I'm waiting on the new one come in this week. It should be here hopefully by Wednesday or Thursday. But the end state is to have the car back on the road by Saturday or Sunday. I should be driving it. I will hit you guys up once I get in the training in. So what's up, YouTube? Finally got the transmission in. It came in last night, so kind of set me back a half day of working on the car. I got it from a company called Fraser's Engines and Transmission. They do factory manufactured transmissions and engines. Come with 3-year warranty, 100,000 mile, 3-year/100,000 mile warranty. This is the Beauty 4L60 Echo. They also come with a torque converter. So you replace everything, torque converter and transmission. So prior to you installing your transmission, you want to pick up 2 cans of these. You want to clean out your transmission cooler lines. So you want to flush your transmission cooler and the lines. I use 2 cans to make sure I get flush on it. Then also I hit it with some compressed air. So what's up, YouTube? So finally got the transmission in. Right now I'm doing the test drive. Make sure the transmission ships properly, which so far so good. I'm actually on my way to AutoZone to take back some of this oil, transmission fluid that I bought. It's only like $27 a gallon. So yeah. So I'm test driving up to AutoZone to make sure I don't lose, make sure the transmission is at its proper level of fluids. And then if it is, I'm gonna return these 2 gallons I got. That's at least $60, about $50-something back right there off transmission fluid alone. Alright, so I'm back from AutoZone. She ran pretty good for the test drive. Returned 2 gallons of transmission fluid. Yeah. So far, I would recommend Fraser's engine and transmission if you're doing transmission swap. Not swap, but replacing your factory transmission. So far, so good.